CAF and PD Minister Susindro stated that he is aware of the causes behind artificial scarcity of petrol in state. The minister has announced that security personnel will be stationed at petrol pumps starting tomorrow to ensure regular distribution of petrol in Manipur. In a media briefing at his residence at Kurai Sajor Laikai, Minister Susindro revealed that the state's daily petrol consumption stands at 298 kiloliters. Over the past 5 days, the government has dispatched significant quantities of petrol, 26 kiloliters on August 22, 326 kiloliters on August 23, 325 kiloliters on August 24, and 272 kiloliters on August 25. An additional 300 kiloliters is scheduled for distribution today. The minister urged the public to refrain collecting donations from petrol pumps and assured that legal action will be taken against those who do not distribute petrol as allocated. The minister attributed the supply issues partly to the misuse of domestic cylinders for commercial purposes and delays in LPG deliveries due to poor road conditions and security escort problems. Minister Susindro expressed optimism that these issues would be resolved after the monsoon season and completion of Imphal Zirbam road expansion.
Petrol pump Irang Mari Lane Haftare. Thousa Halamatunda, Peshaji Piram than Saki was Remarkanda, petrol pump Tozari Beach and Augie, Hawaii out of Haitare. Business Nina, loss or Ragadi Mojo investment at October. Adona, I am Pronota Apil Tozari, Sen Kai Kopagi, Tobiri Beach and Laus in Namasi, petrol pumps in the Tobigano, Zi Ahoy Maruina, I in the police Ahoy Tamani, petrol pumps in the Aduga, foreign civil supply, department Mizu Tamani. How the lower Tamjanba, Aduma petrol pump cam like the Vanate, Moyi Matata, legal action local and Abagi, Comtansing of the work, Ahoy Taurakani, Aduga petrol pump, it's in Laos in the Zohoida, supports the PB Raga, petrol pumps, Hangbinanaba, Laid housing of the public Sinda, PB Nanaba, Hoi Hygienic, Masiga, Mayamna, LPG in Heinrich. Masigi Sisu, hotel to Viriba, Natagana, any commercial work to Viriba Singsina, blue color cylinders, Loviraba, red color is na domestic Lovirdi, Adum, normal in a way, Chatkadrana Kali, Adonamasi, Wazwana, Matam Kitan Kangmina Vadakale, Karino Ibumatamda, Imphal Ziribam Nambise, Ozia, waiting to Paktopa, no Nakapagi lens like labor. Masigi is the double lane Gipasana, provisions in Lakramatunda, the Hena Hoi, Lambi, Wabs, later Roy, rainy season in a Maram, in a Hoi Kitan Wabana, rainy season. Wazwana Kangmina Sena, Praja Honda Apple Tozari.